Let me be honest, most glow-up advice online sounds good, but it doesn't actually change how you look. You watch videos with 30, 40, even 50 tips, but weeks later, your skin still looks dull, your hair isn't improving, and your overall glow just isn't there. So I did something different. I went through hundreds of glow-up tips and filtered out the ones that actually create visible results. When they do, people notice. Your face looks fresher, sharper, your hair looks long, sleek, salon style, and your body looks lean and attractive. 1. Stop touching your face. Most women touch their face without noticing. Rubbing your eyes, fixing your hair behind your ear, adjusting makeup, resting your chin on your hand. You touch your face 30 to 50 times a day, and every time you're transferring bacteria from your phone, laptop, bags, money, groceries, straight into your skin pores. Results: random breakouts, oily face, irritation, pimples, and clogged pores. To fix such issues, use a tissue when scratching or adjusting makeup. Hold something in your hands, a pen, your phone, to stop unconscious touching. Clean your phone once a day. Wash your pillowcase twice a week. Trust me, just reducing face touching alone can clear up your skin dramatically. 2. Use sunscreen every single day. Shockingly, sun rays is responsible for the majority of visible skin damage, including wrinkles, dark spots, uneven skin tone, enlarged pores, and loss of firmness. Many women invest in expensive serums and treatments, yet often skip sunscreen, which is a big mistake. Even when you stay indoors, UV rays can still penetrate through windows and damage your skin at a cellular level. If you truly want glowing and healthy skin, sunscreen is the most important step in your skincare routine. Choose SPF 50 or higher with broad spectrum protection. Apply 2 finger lengths for the face and neck. If you're outdoors, traveling, or sweating, reapply every 2 to 3 hours. Regular sunscreen use helps your skin look brighter, smoother, and younger over time. 3. Cleanse your face properly. Cleansing is the foundation of a skincare routine, as your skin is constantly exposed to makeup, sunscreen, pollution, sweat, hormones, and environmental stress. If your cleansing step is wrong, nothing you apply afterward will work properly. Skin on your face is much thinner, more sensitive, and more delicate than the skin on the rest of your body. Use a gentle, pH-balanced facial cleanser in the morning to remove excess oil and sweat, and again at night to properly cleanse away dirt, pollution, sunscreen, and makeup. Never use body soap on your face. They are formulated with stronger cleansing agents that strip away the skin's natural oils and disrupt its protective barrier, leading to dryness, irritation, and breakouts. Use lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid hot water, harsh scrubs, or rough towels, as they can damage the skin barrier and increase redness. 4. Quick after-wash routine. After cleansing, leave your skin bare for 1 to 2 hours without applying any product. Then pay close attention to how it feels and looks. If it ends up with dry skin, use a rich, deep moisturizer to repair and protect the barrier. For oily skin, use a lightweight, oil-free gel to hydrate without clogging pores. If your skin shows both dryness and oiliness, use a balancing serum to regulate excess sebum while deeply hydrating dry zones. For normal skin, use a vitamin C serum to enhance glow and support skin health. 5. Use targeted acne ingredients. To remove face acne quickly, you need targeted acne-fighting ingredients. Look for products containing one of these. Salicylic acid unclogs pores, benzoyl peroxide kills acne bacteria, niacinamide reduces redness and oil, tea tree oil, natural antibacterial support. Apply treatment only on acne-prone areas, not your whole face, unless the product says so. Do not use multiple acne treatments at the same time. Mixing too many products can irritate your skin and slow down healing. 6. Keep scalp clean and healthy. If the scalp is unhealthy, clogged, inflamed, or dry, hair fall becomes inevitable. Healthy scalp needs proper cleansing, oxygen, and balance. The secret habit here is scalp hygiene with intention. Wash your hair based on your scalp type. Oily scalps usually need washing 2 to 3 times a week. Dry scalps may need gentler shampoos with fewer washes. Take 3 minutes to gently massage your scalp while shampooing. This improves blood circulation, delivers nutrients to follicles, and reduces hair fall at the root level. 7. Nourish hair from inside. If your body lacks nutrients, your hair will be the first to suffer. Hair is not essential for survival, so when you're on a diet or skipping protein-rich food, your body redirects nutrients away from hair growth. Iron deficiency, low protein intake, low zinc, vitamin D deficiency are extremely common reasons that lead to hair fall. So focus on protein with every meal. Eggs, lentils, yogurt, fish, chicken, or tofu. Add healthy fats like nuts and seeds. And don't fear carbs. Include oats, brown rice, and sweet potatoes in your diet. A good diet regulates hormones and cortisol, reduces hair fall, and improves growth within a week. 8. Never sleep with wet hair. Every time you brush aggressively, sleep with wet hair, or pull tight hairstyles, you're slowly breaking your hair. Wet hair can stretch up to 30%, which makes it extremely prone to breakage. When drying, pat gently with a microfiber towel or cotton t-shirt. Don't sleep with wet hair. Dry your hair at least 70 to 80% before bed. Use a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction and breakage over time. Gentle handling alone can help reduce hair fall and increase hair length in a few months. 9. Weekly scalp care and massage. If you enjoy scalp massages, do them once a week. Massaging boosts blood flow, strengthens roots, and relaxes your mind. Use a few drops of light oil or serum on your hair after washing. This adds shine, smoothness, and protection against frizz. If you have an oily or dandruff-prone scalp, skip heavy oils like castor or coconut opt for lightweight options, such as argan, jojoba, or grapeseed. Keep oil on for about an hour before shampooing. That's long enough for nourishment without buildup. 10. Right haircut for your face shape. Even with perfect makeup and great outfits, dry, frizzy, or lifeless hair will dull your entire look. Your hair isn't bad. It simply had no structure, routine, and consistency. To maximize your hair's full growth potential, avoid overcutting and let it grow for at least 3 to 4 months. Choose a haircut that enhances your natural facial structure. Soft face framing layers for round or oval faces, longer angular pieces for square or heart-shaped faces, and subtle movement around the jawline to balance sharper features. Then commit to real care, weekly oiling, trimming split ends, and using sulfate-free shampoo to protect your strands. 11. Reduce face fat. Most girls deal with facial bloating without realizing it. Not because you're overweight, but because of habits like eating too much sugar, salty snacks, processed foods, and late-night scrolling. These habits can subtly make your face appear rounder and older. To reduce face fat, cut down sugar drastically, drink 7 to 8 glasses of water a day, avoid salty and processed foods, fix your sleep schedule, and walk at least 8,000 steps a day to burn calories. Within 3 to 4 weeks, your jawline starts to show, and your cheekbones look more lifted. 12. Fix bloating. Sometimes your belly looks big because of bloating, not fat. This happens when you eat too much salty or processed food, eat late at night, and don't drink enough water. When you're dehydrated, your body panics and holds water, especially around your belly. To fix this, avoid salty snacks for 2 to 3 days, stop eating 2 hours before sleeping, drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. These small changes can make your stomach look flatter in 5 to 7 days. 13. Reduce mental stress. Stress shows up on your face faster than you think. When your stress levels rise, your body releases a hormone called cortisol, and that one hormone silently destroys your glow in multiple ways. It weakens your hair roots, leading to increased hair fall and thinner strands. It slows down your skin's natural repair cycle, which makes your skin look dull, uneven, and lifeless. Cortisol disrupts your hormones and triggers deep, painful breakouts around the jawline and chin, the classic sign of hormonal acne. You can't avoid stress, but you can manage it with simple steps. Try a 15-minute walk in fresh air daily, deep breathing for 2 to 3 minutes, weekly digital detox, spending time with people who calm you, and finally do a simple stretching before bed. 14. Fix your sleep schedule. Sleep is not just rest. It's the time your skin heals, repairs, and becomes brighter. When you sleep poorly, you wake up with dark circles, puffiness, pale, dull skin, pimples, and uneven texture. That's because lack of sleep increases cortisol, which breaks down collagen, the protein that keeps your face young and firm. To solve these issues, keep a strict sleep schedule, same time every night. Use night mode on all screens after 9 p.m. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and scrolling before bed. 15. Get morning sunlight. Avoiding sunlight completely is just as harmful as getting too much. Your body needs sunlight for a bright, glowy skin, to balanced hormones, stable mood, and give you a better sleep. Without sunlight, your skin becomes pale, tired-looking, and lifeless. To fix such issues, get 10 to 15 minutes of morning sunlight, walk or stretch on your balcony, sit near a window when working, use sunscreen, especially if you're going out at noon. Avoid harsh midday sun, but embrace morning light. Safe sunlight gives you a natural glow that no makeup can copy. 16. Limit caffeine intake. Coffee is fine, but drinking multiple cups a day is destroying your face glow. Taking too much caffeine causes dehydration, dry or tight-looking skin, interrupted sleep, dark circles, increased anxiety, hormonal imbalance. If you want to resolve these issues, drink only 1 cup a day, maximum 2 cups. If you need more energy, try alternatives such as warm lemon water, matcha, and herbal tea. Besides, drink 1 full glass of water with every cup. Within a few days, your skin will look fresher and less tired. 17. Shadow boxing. Shadow boxing is one of the best home workouts for women. It burns calories, tones your arms, tightens your waist, and improves posture. Every punch forces your core to tighten, making your waist look smaller naturally. You can combine it with skipping for even faster results. Try 2 minutes shadow boxing, then 1 minute skipping in place, and 30 seconds rest. Repeat 5 to 8 rounds. This takes only 10 to 15 minutes, and it burns more fat than most home workouts. Shadowboxing also boosts your confidence. You feel stronger, more athletic, and more in control of your body. 18. Jumping or skipping. Vertical jumps or skipping rope activate your full body and stimulate better posture, bone strength, and muscle tone. It also boosts growth hormone, which supports tissue repair and body structure at any age. Try vertical jumps, 3 sets of 20 to 30 gentle jumps or skipping rope for 5 to 10 minutes per day. Do it 4 to 5 times a week for better results. This keeps your legs strong, your spine active, and your body in a tall, upright posture. 19. Balanced diet. Sometimes we skipped breakfasts, had random snacking, late-night junk food, and barely any protein. Excessive reliance on quick carbs, packaged snacks, and iced coffee, rather than real meals, can quietly damage your beauty from the inside. To fix your diet, increase your protein intake. Make eggs, chicken, fish, tofu, Greek yogurt, and lentils a staple in your daily diet. Protein keeps you full, supports hormone balance, builds a tighter body, and repairs both skin and hair from the inside out. Add berries for antioxidants, leafy greens for clear skin, citrus for collagen, and nuts, avocados, salmon, and chia seeds for healthy fats. Finally, eliminate packaged snacks such as chips, cookies, instant noodles, and soft drinks, and replace them with fresh fruit, nuts, yogurt, and dark chocolate. 20. Bedtime rituals. Try a simple before-sleep routine. Take a quick, warm shower, gently exfoliate, and apply a rich lotion or body butter. Dim the lights and put your phone away. Blue light suppresses melatonin and hampers sleep pattern. Listen to a short calming audio or music to slow brain activity. Keep the room cool and dark, which signals repair mode to your body. Science shows deep, uninterrupted sleep lowers cortisol and boosts growth hormone. 2 key factors for brighter skin, reduced puffiness, and a refreshed face by morning. If even one of these tips made you rethink your routine, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which one you're starting today.